Hey guys, my name is Nick, welcome to the How to PC channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to download Black Myth Wukong on your PC or laptop. So first of all, we need to install Steam. So to do it, open the browser and type here Steam. And now go to their official website. Here you can see the URL. And now at the top right corner you can see the Install Steam button. So click on it and now click on Install Steam. At the top right you can see the Steam installer, so let's run it and now follow the instructions to download it on your PC. But I already have Steam installed, so let's close it and open Steam. Here you can find and download all the most popular games. So let's use the search at the very top and type here Black Myth Wukong. So black, yeah, and here it is, click on it. And now scroll down a little bit. And here you can see the price in the currency of your country. And now you need to replenish your wallet balance and buy this game. Now just click on Add to Cart and View My Cart. And after that, continue to payment. And now just deposit money and pay for the game. And after that, just click on download. So that's how you can easily install this game on your PC or laptop. Guys, I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.